Hi everyone, it's Lynette with Charm Grammy Crochet. Today is September 1st. This will be a very short, but this is Charm Chatter number 88. And this is a special Charm Chatter because we'll get into that. I do want to thank you all for coming. You're going to be glad you're here because this is a special Charm Chatter. This Charm Chatter is I am announcing or informing, I guess is better, that I am involved in hashtag Yarn Clue. If you haven't heard of it, it's because it just came out today. So what it is it's a game. And you're all invited to play and have your friends play. So what's going to happen is there are 7 of us. Elisa from Llama Unraveled. It's her game. And you have to watch a video, which will be linked below because it is very cute. And it's a how to play video, letting you know what's going on. And if you're on my Facebook group page, I've already linked the video on that page, so you get a little head start, whatever. But there are 7 of us. So there's Elisa, then there is Setta from Setta's Place, Ryan from the Yarn Hag Ryan, Ella from No Catchy Name, Terry from the Yarnjoy Podcast, Dana from Wanderlust Crochet, and myself. And we are all making a project that's a Christmas gift idea. And just one second. Be right there. So what happens is we're going to do a video, one a day, starting September 14th through September 21st. I don't know who goes first. Hope it's not me. There's that. And we're going to talk to you about what we've made. And she'll list all the specifics. And then at the end, you have to choose whose project got frogged. So that's all there is to it. You watch the 7 videos, do the hashtag, like this video will be hashtagged Yarn Clue. I've got so many hashtags, sometimes I forget. So anyway, Yarn Clue. And I will link all the other ones, the other 7 or 6 channels. I will link the video that Elisa made. And so just look out starting on the 14th. We're all going to do a video a day showing our Yarn Clue game project. So it's to help give you ideas of Christmas gifts ideas. And apparently one of us is doing a really bad job and has to frog. I don't know how that exactly is going to work yet, but I wanted to get the heads up out there so you guys can start looking for the videos and mark your calendars to look for it. So that's all I got for you for right now. Thanks for watching. Thanks for liking, subscribing, and share this to all of your friends so they can play along. Okay, thanks. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow for another really good video. Bye.